To reset this or run diagnostics on this machine, I'm going to take it to 12 o'clock. I'm going to go around one time. So once I'm around one time, I'm going to go left, right, 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 3 times, left, right, and then you're going to see all the lights come on, or most of them come on the bottom. Now go right, right, and we're trying to go down to the final rinse mode. Now press start. This is going to go through a diagnostics as well as reset this machine to the factory default. If you add any kind of new part to a lot of these types of computerized appliances or whatever, you're going to have to go back to default and let it know that it has a new part and this part works.